Hello everyone, Vincent Martone from MarineMax Clearwater here again at the Miami International Boat Show, debuting Aviara luxury day boats, right? So I am now standing on the Sterndrive version. This particular boat is offered with twin Ilmor 6-liter 380 horsepower motors, or you can option for the Ilmor 6.2-liter LS base motor at 430 horsepower each, okay? Come on board, I want to show you a few features. Hi, so if you've joined me in our outboard boat, you'll notice that the inboard boat is set with the same beautiful stadium-style seating. You have your recliners up front, 1, 2, and 3, and then you have your bar stool seating in any position. Right, this is just fantastic. You have 3 or 4 tiers of in-water entertainment. You've got your swim patio in the back, you've got your deck here, you've got your recliner here, and then you got your stadium seating. This is a feature that has not been offered in any other boat on the market. That's why we're debuting it here at the Miami International Boat Show. Come on board into the cockpit. So this boat is equipped with the Klipsch audio. This one has actually 18 speakers throughout, 2 subwoofers. I don't know how many thousands of watts it puts out, but it's a lot. Klipsch audio, look them up. So over here, we've got our isotherm ice chest. Again, this is our wet bar. One cool feature, so this boat has two trash cans. Check this out. There's one right here. And then there's also one right up here next to the head compartment. Right there. We'll take you into the head compartment here. Very spacious head. We've had a few clients on board that are about 6'2" to 6'5", and they can stand up in there without bumping their head. Talk about not bumping your head. If you take a look up at this T-top, this hard top, it is magnificent. Look how tall it is. So I'm 5'6". I can't even touch it, right? How comfortable is that? Look at this steering wheel. So this is something that is just, it's a work of art. It's beautiful. The Ilmor joystick is something that the industry absolutely loves. Twin clutch packs, there's no clunking when you're going from reverse to forward. Lane code trim tabs, again, the Garmin GPS, which I love Garmin because you can just touch a location, it'll circle your finger and it'll map out the safest route for you to go. Again, look at the depth. So this is an open air luxury day boat. It can be fitted with isinglass enclosure if you like. As we move forward up here, again, if you caught my outboard boat video, you know how deep that the bow is. This boat right here, powered with the 380 horsepower engines, 55.1 miles an hour. Imagine how fast you'll get when you go to the 430s, because that's how I would order this boat. I would definitely order the 430 horsepower. Listen guys, if you want to check out any more of our Aviara luxury day boats, contact me at MarineMax Clearwater or visit any of our stores. Thank you very much for joining me at the Miami International Boat Show.